Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Analytics Expert. In this channel, you will get very good knowledge of MIS, data analytics, BI developer, and data science. I have lots of knowledge, so I will place all the video one by one. So these days I am placing video for VBA. Further, I will place video for Advanced Excel, MS Access, MS Access VBA, SQL Server, Power BI, Tableau, R, Python. If you are looking these types of training, you can join my video, you can subscribe my channel to get further notification of my next video. Okay, so today's topic I will let you know how we can create. You can see here in last video, last video I covered how we can apply the count if logic. I will not apply count if function, but I will take output just like count if. Okay, so in this video I will let you know how we can take output just like sum if. Okay, so sum if means suppose you have department wise data. Okay, department data set is here. So what you have to do, you have to calculate the salary on the basis of uh, department. So you can see here in production department you have two employees, so you have to calculate salary of two employees in K column or L column. Okay, I'm removing this data. I will do each and everything from scratch. Okay, so you have to press alt F11 to move in code window. Okay, this is my code window. I'm going to write sum if logic. So you have to write here sum if logic. Okay, so declare the variable. First I need to activate the sheet 8 dot select. Now I need to write here the variable dim counter 1 comma counter 2. Why I have declared two variable? Because I need to use two loops as integer. I need to declare two more variable dim depth 1 comma depth 2 as string. Now I have to declare one more variable where I will store the total salary, a total aggregated salary on the basis of department. So I will have to write here dim t sal. T cell means total salary as string. I'm sorry, long, because maybe the limitation of integer data type storage is 32,767, but here after getting aggregation of department salary you will get more than 32,000. That's why I have taken here long data type. Now I'm going to write here for loop. So writing here for counter 1 equal to 229. You can see here why I'm writing here 229, because after copying this data I need to place the data here and press M5 A, remove the duplicate value. So how many department we have? We have department from second number row to 9 number row. That's why I have written here second to 9. But make sure before writing the loop you need to copy and paste data and remove the duplicate value. So just I'm moving on to copy the data and paste into J column. So I will not do anything manually, so I'm writing code for same. So here I need to copy the data from C column dynamically, C1 comma range C1 dot end Excel2 down bracket close dot copy. Then you have to place the data into J column. So in destination I have to take here J1. Okay, then I had to remove the duplicate value, so I have to write here range J1 comma range J1 J1 dot end Excel2 down Excel to down dot remove duplicates, sorry, here I need to take one. Why I'm taking here one? Because I need to remove the duplicate value from single column, J column. Okay, that's why I'm taking here. Here you need to take any one option. Okay, now here you need to store the value in depth 1 and depth 2. Depth 1 value will be stored from J column. You can see I'm running this macro to get output, at least remove duplicate. Okay, so you can see here we have 9 data in J column. So what I have to do, I have to store this data into depth 1 variable one by one. So I have to write here depth 1 equal to range J counter 1 1. Okay, again I will have to apply loop for counter to how many data set available in this data set. How many data available in this data set? 50. So I will have to write here 2 to 50. Why I have taken here 2 to 50? Because from this J column data it will check into C column. So I will have to execute loop up to 50 times. Okay, so here I will write depth to range C concatenate counter 2. Now my data, this data set is available in this variable depth 1 and this data set is available in depth 2. So now it will check depth 1 equal to depth 2. So it will check the condition. If depth 1 equal to depth 2, then I have to take total salary and I have to aggregate the total salary. So what I will have to write here? I will have to write here uh, T sum. T sum I have to store. So I have to write here T sum plus. So I have to take data from H column. So H column data you need to aggregate. So I'm going to write here counter 2. Okay. Now salary will be aggregated on the basis of department into T sum variable. Okay, after taking all the salary into T sum related to department, so I need to take output. I'm closing the if to end if. I'm closing the loop. Next counter 2. Just aligning to understand it properly. Okay, you can see here this is a clear picture. Now after taking all the salary, you have to take output into K column. So what I have to do here, I need to take output into K column, or we can take output in L column. So I'm taking output in K column. Okay, so range K concatenate. Here I have to take counter 1 because in counter 1 is working on J column. So I have to take here counter 1 1 bracket close, then I have to take store the value T sum. Okay, then T sum need to reset. T sum should be 0. After placing data from single department, you need to reset the T sum value as a 0 because I need to take next output for quality. That's why I have reset the T sum equal to 0. Okay, now I'm running this. You can see here I'm taking first department output. You can see, so this is the output. You can see in T sum. T sum output is this one salary. So it will place. You can see here. I'm taking second department output. You can see here. Now I'm removing the breakpoint, press F9, then run it. You can see here output. Okay, so that's it for this video. So if you are looking this video is very useful, you can subscribe my channel, you can like my video and share it. Thank you so much. If you are looking good training, you can contact me 9899282365. So you will get practical knowledge with me. You will get excellent knowledge. You will, if you are looking one-to-one training, you can come to me. Thank you so much.